Welcome to Vicinity Software, your partner in streamlining formula manufacturing operations for chemical manufacturers. In a fast-paced industry where managing formulas, compliance, and costs is critical, Vicinity centralizes your data to simplify production and improve decision-making. Gain real-time visibility into your inventory with integrated MRP tools, helping you reduce stockouts and avoid expensive expedited shipping. Our platform allows you to consolidate production into larger, more cost-effective batches based on accurate forecasts and schedules. With streamlined data entry, your team can record production faster and more accurately, cutting down on costly errors and giving you a clear view into high-cost processes that need attention. Boost productivity by optimizing schedules, reducing time spent compiling reports, and accelerating financial close. Identify bottlenecks in quality control and streamline batch adjustments to keep operations moving smoothly. Profitability gets a lift too. Analyze production costs from start to finish, highlight high-yield processes, and factor real-time chemical costs into R&D. Forecast future usage to negotiate better pricing with suppliers. One of our standout features is seamless integration with Microsoft Dynamics. This connection delivers a comprehensive ERP solution that grows with your business, making your operations more robust and efficient. And when it comes to compliance, Vicinity keeps you covered. Generate COAs, SDS, GHS documents, and maintain full lot traceability from supplier to customer. Join leading chemical manufacturers using Vicinity to cut costs, increase efficiency, and meet regulatory demands with confidence. Vicinity Software, fit for formulas. Discover the perfect formula for manufacturing success. Visit our website to learn more.